All the money is literally trapped inside the banks and the people are not able to get their own money. How long will the people stand in the long queues and waste their time?
The government to answer.
Honorable Speaker, Madam, I know that people are standing for long hours in front of ATM to withdraw money and are wasting their precious time. But I would like to answer that this is a problem that would not last long. On the daily basis, over 12 to 14,000 ATMs are being calculated and they will dispense the new high security note of 500 and 2,000 rupees. With the new calculation, ATMs are now stocking over 50 to 60 lakhs cash are able to cater to high demand. I hope my answer satisfies you, the Honorable Member of the Parliament.
Madam Speaker, I would like to ask the Honorable Finance Minister this question. Who were the experts who were consulted by the Prime Minister before taking this important decision?
Honorable Finance Minister, please.
Madam Speaker, before taking this decision, the PM had consulted the Finance Minister, RBI Governor, financial experts, etc. The decision was not taken on an impulse, but was taken up with a lot of careful planning.
Madam Speaker, I would like to ask a question that in the banks, only the middle class people, poor people and the lower middle class people are being seen. Why not rich people? What does the government has to say about this?
The government to answer.
Madam Speaker, the so-called rich people are not seen in line because most of them are used to transfer and do most of the transaction online. This is what we want all the people to do. As far as possible, go cashless. But it is not true that you don't see any rich people standing in queues outside ATMs. Why? The other day I saw the honorable leader of the opposition standing in queues outside ATMs. These are the instances.
Order.
These are the instances of many film stars standing in line.
Madam Speaker, through you, I would like to pose this question to the government. Not all Indians have a bank account and an ID card. There are homeless and slum dwellers who do not possess a bank account as they don't have an address proof. What about these people? How will the government help these people?
The government to answer.
Honorable Speaker, I would like to inform the Parliament that an NGO is telling them to use ATM machines, credit and debit card and how to do banking system from phone. आजकल तो स्मार्टफोन और व्हाट्सएप का ज़माना है और सबको इसे इस्तेमाल करना आता है.
Madam Speaker, I would like to ask the Honorable Prime Minister this question. Has the government taken any step to find out how many people have lost their life due to the demonetization decision and has any compensation been paid to them?
Prime Minister, please answer the question.
देखिए, देश की स्वतंत्रता के लिए द फ्रीडम मूवमेंट बहुत लोगों ने अपनी जान गंवाई, बलिदान दिया, तो समझिए ये भी इसी तरह का कुछ आंदोलन है.
प्रधानमंत्री जी, क्या आप चाहते हैं कि हमारे देश की आधी जनता कतार में लगकर अपनी जान गंवाए?
आप बैठ जाइए, प्रधानमंत्री जी को बोलने दीजिए.
नहीं, मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था. As you said, the government has found the number of members who have lost their lives, and yes, the government is trying their best to compensate them with the enough money. Thank you.
अध्यक्ष महोदया, हमारे देश की आधी जनता गाँव में रहते हैं जहाँ बैंक जैसी सुविधाएं नहीं होते हैं, तो यह गरीब कहाँ जाकर अपना खाता खोले और ऊपर से वह अनपढ़ भी है जो ये उसके समझ से परे है.
The government to answer.
Madam Speaker, I would like to inform the member of the Parliament that the government is also concerned. We have also introduced the usage of bank accounts or opening the bank accounts to their own mobile phones. And you cannot say that there are no banks in the rural areas. There are many rural areas which have banks and we are making sure that the people are opening their bank accounts.
Madam Speaker, I would like to ask a question that what about those people who need money for some emergency situations like to see a doctor, pay hospital charges, medical emergency, etc. Who will help these people?
Prime Minister, please answer the question.
Yes, the access of the old currency notes in the private health sectors and the hospitals have been declined. But don't worry, the government will ensure that no emergency sector or private health hospital will disaccept or not accept old currency notes in case of emergency.
Madam Speaker, I would like to tell you that the Prime Minister have failed to deliver on any of the promises that he made before the general elections. In fact, he has now started acting as a dictator and has no regard for the democratic structure of this country. We have just now seen how many problems the common man is facing due to his unilateral decision of demonetization. And the worst part is, when the country is going through the financial crisis, he is least interested in attending the parliament. He is busy in traveling to foreign countries. Is this what is expected from the head of the country?
Prime Minister, please.
Honorable Speaker, I would like to inform our Honorable Member of Parliament that I am doing the work which has not been from past 30 to 40 years. I just said I'm traveling many countries, many foreign countries. Look, if you want to become a superpower, you want to draw investment, you will have to advertise yourself. You will have to convince them wherever you're going. And that is what I am doing. And you said I have not done anything. India will build the biggest dam in Nepal, while the China was getting very hard to get that project. But we got that project. It will get 83% of the green energy from that dam. Canada approves visa for all Indian tourists inside it without any cost. And we have given a strong reply to our neighboring country, Pakistan, through our surgical attack. India's uranium deal with Australia. Australia is set to sign a deal with India about giving 800 tons of uranium to India. And a line of top executives around the world is behind my door. You know, Satya Nadella, Microsoft, Mark Zuckerberg, you might have known him, the Facebook founder, Jeff Bezos, Amazon, and my so many campaigns like Swachh Bharat, the most famous one, Make in India campaign, Jan Dhan Yojana, and many more campaigns of mine. And you say that I have not done anything, right? Look, I'm already working 24/7 hard for my betterment of my country without leaving my family alone. But yet people ask me, what is the Prime Minister of India doing? I would like to inform or request the Member of Parliament that please think logically. You're asking me what I have done from past 2 years, right? Can you please explain me what have you done from past 10 years ruling the country? Honorable Speaker, if you permit me, I would like to recite few lines.
Yes.
दोस्तों, सफर में धूप तो होगी, सफर में धूप तो होगी, जो चल सको तो चलो। सभी है भीड़ में, सभी है भीड़ में, तुम भी निकल सको तो चलो। यहां किसी को कोई रास्ता नहीं देता, यहां किसी को रास्ता नहीं देता। तुम मुझे गिरा के अगर तुम भी संभल सको तो चलो। दोस्तों, सफर में धूप तो होगी, तुम चल सको तो चलो। सभी है इस भीड़ में, तुम भी निकल सको तो चलो। धन्यवाद।
With this, the House is adjourned. We'll meet again tomorrow at 11 a.m.